Okay, it's 3 months after my last video. We've had quite a bit of progress and the car's probably 95% of the way there. Since the last video, bodywork has been painted for the third time, so hopefully it's pretty close. Well, it's got to be. It's as per 92-93 season. Pics on the wall. Bonnet is one that I made out of a mould that I got made. I made the wooden buck, which is this on the wall, based off a real bonnet which they wouldn't lend me. So I measured it all up and I made that, and then got a mould made off that. And the bonnet is based on a Edmunds Midget bonnet. Tail is the original tail off the car, which was taken off by Glenn McCutcheon. And Glenn and his dad still held on to it after all these years, and they were very nice and gave it to me, as well as the seat, which is the original one with the upholstery. The tail is a replica of a mid-80s tail tank, and I'd love to have a mould to make some more, because this one is about 44 tonne in weight. So that's painted. Upholstery done by Cliff, my upholstery chap. Headrest, tidied up the seat, and did the cover on the steering wheel, original Schroeder wheel. Driveline's been done, chain. Torsion bar, got from the States. All torsion bars as per what Lance ran the day, blocked to the same as what he had. Lance still had the setup sheets from the time that he ran the car. Wheels, got new ones, welds, which they ran the day. Plumbing's all been done on injection now. Motor's full of oil. I've turned it over. Got oil pressure, just needs a battery and some methanol and she'll go. So jobs left to do, sign writing, bleed the brakes, and fire it up. So getting pretty close. And that's where we are, August 2020.